The Profit Constructors presents a 9.5-part guide to the basic data and reporting in Knowify. Part 2, Profit and Loss Data and Reports.
Okay, we're going to talk about profit and loss data and reports. So when we talk about profit and loss data and reports, there are a couple of good places that we can go to find that information. One of the first places that we can go to see that data is right here. When we click into contract jobs, we can see at a glance some per job profit information. So you can see on this Up the Creek Bistro job, based on our revenue and costs, we're pulling in about 57.05% profit. And you can see what that translates out to into dollars. So that's one of the very best places to go and by job, see your profit and loss data and information. We also have the ability to sort of drill down in here and see that at a higher level. So you can see budgets versus actuals, which of course we're going to get to in our next section. But yeah, this is your high level profit and loss information. Another place is if we go ahead and open up our job and click into reports. Another good place to get it is right here on the P&L report. If you've used Knowify at all, you'll know that reports in Knowify often download. And so we will see those as an Excel or sometimes a PDF version of the reports. Let's go ahead and make this bigger so that everyone out there watching this can see. And so you'll see that we can see right here in this column C, this is straight up profit and loss data, meaning this is our total revenue that we have to date. And then our totals of each phase of the job that are in costs. So our revenue minus our costs equals our project profit, which also matches what we were seeing out there on that contracts dashboard. And that's another place where we can get budgets, or excuse me, profit and loss data. We're going to talk about budgets and actuals. And actually this report's going to factor into that. And then one other place that we can go, and again, we're going to you'll see how Knowify works really well together and can give us the same data and information in a few different reports that we might use for a few different reasons. If we go ahead and click on over here into the advanced jobs report, and I'm going to go ahead and set this for, let's see if we can get that to... Well, hello. All right, we're just going to do it this way. I'm going to set this for a few years back because I'm going to make sure that this is our test account where we play around in here a lot to make sure we get some good data going all the way back to where we'll have data in here. This report's going to email to us. It says you'll receive the report via email shortly. Some reports in Knowify that are large only come via email, but again, this is going to come to us as an Excel file. And once again, on here, we can see some good profit and loss data. So you'll see that for each job that's showing up on this advanced jobs report, it's going to tell us revenue, costs, and if we scroll all the way over here to the right, we'll be able to see in dollars and percentages our revenue and cost data. So right again, Up the Creek Bistro right down here at the bottom, and all of these reports and things are matching across the board. So that's how we can see some really good profit and loss data. And of course, everyone knows that whether or not we're making a profit on each job is one of the most important things that there is to know in any construction contracting business. Next time, we're going to talk about budgets versus actual data and reports. Come back for that.